Welcome back to our channel, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we delve into the world of gaming laptops. In this video, we'll be taking a close look at the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2023 gaming laptop. Packed with top-of-the-line features, this laptop is designed to provide an exceptional gaming experience. So, let's dive right in. Design. The design of the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is nothing short of stunning. It features a sleek and stylish Eclipse Gray chassis that exudes a sense of sophistication. The laptop is well built, ensuring durability even during intense gaming sessions. The ergonomically designed keyboard with customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization, making it a treat for both your eyes and your fingers. Display. One of the standout features of the ROG Strix G16 is its 16-inch 1610 FHD display with a blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate. The display offers stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast, providing an immersive gaming experience. The 16:10 aspect ratio adds extra vertical real estate, giving you a wider field of view and making multitasking a breeze. Processor. Under the hood, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is powered by the Intel Core i9-13980HX, a high-performance processor that ensures smooth gameplay and efficient multitasking. With its 8 cores and 16 threads, this processor can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Memory. When it comes to memory, the ROG Strix G16 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a whopping 16GB of DDR5 RAM, allowing for seamless multitasking and quick loading times. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or playing the latest AAA titles, this laptop has got you covered. Storage. In terms of storage, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 offers a generous 1TB PCIe SSD. This provides ample space for all your games, files, and multimedia content, ensuring lightning-fast boot times and speedy data access. Say goodbye to long loading screens and hello to uninterrupted gaming sessions. Graphics. Gaming enthusiasts will be delighted to know that the ROG Strix G16 is equipped with the powerful GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. This GPU delivers exceptional graphics performance, allowing you to play the latest games at high settings with smooth frame rates. Say goodbye to choppy gameplay and hello to a visually stunning gaming experience. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard on the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is a gamer's dream. It features per-key RGB lighting, which can be customized to match your preferences. The keys are well-spaced, providing a comfortable typing and gaming experience. The precision trackpad is responsive and accurate, ensuring smooth cursor movements and effortless navigation. Connectivity. Connectivity options on the ROG Strix G16 are plentiful. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology, providing fast and stable internet connectivity. Additionally, it offers a wide range of ports, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and an audio jack, allowing you to connect your peripherals and external displays with ease. Speaker. The audio experience on the ROG Strix G16 is truly immersive. It features high-quality speakers that deliver rich and powerful sound, enhancing your gaming experience and bringing the game's audio to life. Whether you're in the midst of an intense battle or enjoying your favorite music, the audio quality will never disappoint. Battery and cooling. When it comes to gaming laptops, battery life and cooling are crucial factors. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 addresses both of these aspects effectively. The laptop is equipped with a high-capacity battery that offers extended gaming sessions without the need for constant charging. This means you can dive into your favorite games without worrying about running out of power. To ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating during intense gaming sessions, ASUS has implemented an advanced cooling system in the ROG Strix G16. It features multiple heat pipes and strategically placed vents that efficiently dissipate heat, keeping the system cool and maintaining consistent performance. Webcam. In today's digital age, video calls and streaming have become increasingly important. The ROG Strix G16 comes with a built-in HD webcam that delivers clear and sharp video quality. Whether you're video conferencing with your friends or streaming your gameplay to an audience, this laptop has you covered. Operating system. Now let's talk about the operating system. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 comes pre-installed with the latest Windows 11. This ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience, with enhanced features specifically designed for gaming and productivity. Conclusion. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 2023 gaming laptop truly stands out in the gaming laptop market. With its sleek design, immersive display, powerful processor, ample memory and storage, impressive graphics, customizable keyboard, extensive connectivity options, excellent audio quality, long battery life, efficient cooling system, and the convenience of Windows 11, it ticks all the right boxes for gamers and power users alike. Specification table. That concludes our in-depth review of the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2023 gaming laptop. If you're interested in purchasing this laptop, be sure to check the description box below for the Amazon buy link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Happy gaming!